Hey guys, Mike Henry here. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia at the AHR Expo, and I'm standing in front of the Rheem Triton heavy-duty water heater. And it may not look like it, but this is the most intelligent water heater on the market. It is a high-efficiency gas condensing water heater. It has a little brother and it has a big brother. The heavy-duty comes in an 80 and 100-gallon tank. The Super Duty comes in a 120-gallon, 500,000 BTU tank, and then the little brother comes in a 50 and 75-gallon versions. One of the main features of these water heaters is the internal heat exchangers. Now you're looking at a vertical triple pass patented heat exchanger that makes this commercial gas water heater about 97% efficient. Not only is it a high efficient water heater, it's also Wi-Fi connected as well as BMS ready. So it is a building management system ready, plug and play for commercial buildings.